subscribe with notifications on.
And if you are complaining and saying, but these South Africans, these foreigners are actually, taking our jobs and all those type of things, it's your own problem. These guys are here, they are hustling. Why can't you do the same? Why can't you learn from them? Huh? Let me tell you something. Do you know that you can be rich out of these foreigners? If you can go to them and just find out from them, my brother, tell me something. How did you make it? I see you are running a spaza shop here. How did you get started? Ask them, how did you get started? Then you, as a South African, you've got this mentality that you think you cannot make it. You think you can't do it. Let me tell you something. You know what is the problem about South Africans? South Africans are not successful in any business they try to do. You know why they're not successful? You know why you fail to make your business grow? Do you know why? Because every time you start a business, South African police comes and harass you. They tell you about tax and all those type of things and all those, but they don't harass foreigners. Have you ever seen them harassing foreigners? These Nigerians right now, they've got no IDs. They've got no passports. They've got no company registration papers. They've got no companies. All they have is spaza shops without no stop. Now, when you think these people they're having spaza shops and so forth, you think that you look at them with small stock inside, you think they're running spaza shop. They are selling drugs. But now, who's eating with them? Your government is eating with them. That's why these Nigerians, these Nigerians are very rich. They are very rich. They are very rich. No one tells them about tax. No one tells them about, hey, don't open shops here, what, because they eat with your government. Luna, you are very stingy. You are very stingy. You don't know how to bribe. These policemen, South African policemen, they are very easy to bribe, man. They are very easy. Very easy. Very easy. You can make money so simple, man, out of them. Very easy. You put them in a corner, you are successful. You grow. But when they come to you, when you want to fight them, Why can't you be like these foreigners? These foreigners are very clever. They are very clever. When they see them, they put them in their box, man. They put them in their box. Yeah? You see now, these days, do you know why lots of gangsters in South Africa have got guns? You know why lots of gangsters now in South Africa have got guns? Where do they get those guns? You think they go out and kill police? No! Use your mentality, use your mind. Here in South Africa, if you are here to sleep, you are going to suffer. You will suffer for the rest of your life. You will live in poverty for the rest of your life. Wake up, my sister. Wake up, my brother. Wake up. Your government, the one you're thinking is your government, they don't care about you. They care about their own pockets. Are you getting my point? Wake up. Stop the thing of yours, man. Stop the thing of you fighting these guys. You fighting. Hey, guys, brothers, Africans, South Africans and foreigners, if you can come together, work together. Oh, trust me. You will learn many things from these guys. You will learn how to make money from those foreigners. You will learn how to hustle from those foreigners. And guys, let me tell you something. If you think maybe perhaps you can't make it, you think maybe your girlfriend is going to laugh at you, employ somebody, man. Put that person on the street. Take 1,000 rand, go to the market, buy, stop. Put that person there. Let that person start selling for you. You see how much money you're going to make. Stop the thing of you guys always complaining. You listen to me. These foreigners don't care about you. You complain about them, they don't care about you. Their lives are progressive. These guys are driving nice cars. These guys are driving GTIs. These guys are driving BMWs, Audis, all those, hey. But while you are sitting here complaining about them, why can't you learn from them? No, I learned from them. No, I learned. You know what? I still with my eyes. I still with my ears. I told their ideas with my eyes, with my ears, with my ears, with my eyes. I didn't use my physical hands to go and still. I use my mind. That's why I'm able to sit at home and live a better life. Are you getting my point? Live a better life. It doesn't matter how much I make. Even if I make 30,000, 20,000, 40,000, it's better. How much do you make payment? Do you have that 10,000 that comes in your bank account every month? Do you have that 40,000 that come in a month in your bank account? Do you have that 50,000 that comes into your bank account? You don't have, right? If you don't even have 5,000 that comes in your bank account, stop complaining about these foreigners. Stop it. Because that shows that you are a failure. You are failing yourself. You are failing your own life. Are you getting my point? You are failing. Perhaps South Africans, let me be honest with you. I'm going to be honest with you. 75% of South Africans are generally lazy. I don't want to lie. Now, ask me. I have employed many of them. I have employed many of them in my companies. Many of them. I know. Ask me. They are generally lazy. You understand? A South African employee, they will hit you with doctor's note. A South African employee will hit you with excuses. They will come to work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Some of them are off. And you can't reprimand them. If you do, they fight you. You are even scared to even reprimand them because of you thinking they are going to stand for you on the street as a boss. They want to be their own bosses in your own company. That's how they are. South Africans, they love drinking too much. They love beer. South Africa is the most country that drinks too much. We are, guys, And now when you see these guys who are hustling, whenever you complain about them, you start bullying them, you start doing all these type of things and stuff. Guys, now I'm pleading with you guys, please. I'm pleading with you. Please, guys, go and learn from the foreigners. Go to these Zimbabweans. Go to these Nigerians. Of course, I'm not saying go and learn drugs. No. If I ever see you commenting on my video and talking about drugs, then I'll know you are sick-minded. Because I never said you must go and learn about drugs. I said go and learn. How are they doing, these guys? These guys are living large. These guys are living in a very good environment. Nice flats, nice apartments, while you are sitting in the cuckoo out there. And you've got guys to come to my channel and say to me, no, I'm not a South African. What I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to open your eyes. I'm trying to say to you, let us love them. Let us appreciate these foreigners. Let us work together with them. If you can wake up tomorrow and change your mindset about these foreigners, I'm telling you, you are going to be successful. You are going to be successful. You are going to make plenty money. Are you hearing what I'm saying? If you can wake up in the morning every day, just give yourself 5 days and say, as from today, I want to learn from foreigners. I want to learn their tricks. I want to learn how they living their lives. Listen to me. Go to these foreigners. Check the type of life they live. I'm not talking about those lowly foreigners who stay in the location, who are looking like South Africans, who doesn't care about their lives. No, I'm talking about real foreigners, real hustlers. Because most people who stays in the location there, in our black caste, these people, some of them don't care about their lives. They don't care. They are brothers and sisters who stays in the